Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain ranges in for loop. Ranges can be used in for if for many areas. Here what I want to say is in other languages in for loop what we will do is we will initialize with some value and then iterate over the many times and it checks for the condition for to iterate and it will increment in every loop. So the same way we can use the for loop here with the ranges and I want to explain with the examples. Please go through with it. Here what happens is in a range we written a starting value and ending value. Ending value is not included. We have started with a 0. Even you does not give a 0 in a starting value, it will take as a 0 as a starting value and we can check with output. Okay, this is the output we got. It starts with the 0 and ends with the 9, not included 10. Okay, we can do something without giving a starting value. The same output we will get. The same output we got. So we can start with some other value. Range 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can end with some other value, not only 10. We can use many. Started with the 5 and ended with the 14. So here we can use a steps from 5 to 15. If we want to use two steps, we can use two steps. Every two steps, it will give you output. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. We can make utilize negative steps, means backward. Here it gives out error. I want to show you error. What happens? Okay, it's a bug. It's a bug. It's not error. It's a bug. We can make utilize minus value to get a backward. Start with a 15 and ends with a 5. 5 is not included. Okay, 50 and ends with the 7, not included 5. So this is the way we can make utilize ranges in for loop. In a previous session, I explained about debugging. Here I'm not using debugging here. I value keeps on changes with the iteration. So here I'm not showing the how it is debugging. So I hope you understood. I see you in the next session.